Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with WordPress using Elementor brand styles step by step clearly. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Pages section on the left-hand menu. Select the page where you want to add the Elementor brand styles. Click on the Edit with Elementor button. Once the Elementor editor opens, locate the section you want to customize. Click on the section to reveal its settings in the left panel. In the left panel, select the Style tab. Here, you will find options to adjust background colors, images, and text styles. To set a brand color, look for the background color option. Click on the color palette to open the color picker. Input your brand color's HEX code for a precise match. Next, scroll down to the typography settings. Click on Typography to modify your font styles. Choose a font family from the drop-down menu. Adjust the font size, weight, and style according to your brand guidelines. To create consistency across your site, repeat this process for headings and paragraph text. If you want to add custom CSS, scroll down to the Advanced tab. Input your custom styles in the Custom CSS area. Preview your changes by clicking the eye icon at the bottom of the panel. Once satisfied, click the green Update button to save your changes. Your Elementor brand styles should now be successfully applied. Feel free to review other sections to ensure consistency throughout your site. Finally, exit the Elementor editor to return to the WordPress dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.